Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and setup of a foldable portable sit on top kayak, the SOT260. So sit on top kayak. This one is blue color. I'm gonna be checking it up in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing it and find out what it's all about. Let's get to it. All right, let's see what we got going on in here. Not a very big box. Again, it is marketed as a foldable portable kayak. From what I can understand, it's only a one-person kayak, being portable as it is. Let's take a look. All right, what we got here? Wow, this is quite nice. Yeah, all the instructions right there coming here, very handy. Very good. Got that. And we have here the handheld inflatable pump. It comes with two fins. Very nice. It comes with a paddle as well. Check that out. Good, good. Let's see here. Oh, this is an item that Boats to Go sent me for me to try out. That's something else. We have the repair kit. It comes with some patches and some glue. Wait, what is this? This looks like some carabiners. Plastic, polymer carabiners. I will find out what these are about, what they're for in a minute. Put this on the side, make sure it doesn't get lost. And we have the little kayak here. Nicely packaged too. Wrapped up on its protective casing and some plastic. I'm gonna go ahead and undo this and then show you guys everything. Hey, I was opening the welcome brochure that came with it. Came with this nice sticker. Eh? Not too shabby. Alrighty, so I got it unwrapped and I'm gonna get it out of the casing. Again, it is marketed as portable, so I don't think it's gonna be that big. A one-person inflatable kayak. I mean, maybe a two-person, with little kids, probably. That'll work. Well, here it is. It is foldable, no doubt about that. Oh, it also comes with a built-in seat. Wow! It comes in with a built-in seat, and it's a high pressure valve. So that means that this thing will actually require about 10 to 12 psi to inflate. It's quite sizable for being like this. It just looks so small when it folded. I like it. All right, let me go ahead and get this out and then show you guys around so you can see it. And put you guys on the wide angle. There we go. That's what it looks like deflated. I'm going to inflate it in a moment. So it's got two inflation valves, one there, one there. Oh, and the PSI standards are right here. So it says it requires 15 PSI. That's not too shabby. I like this very much. Oh, look at the seat. I'm assuming this is where you put the straps on. That's what these little things come into play then. Yep. That's what'll keep it. Yep, got it. Alrighty, so that's what they're for the backrest. Beautiful. All right. Well, let me go ahead and start inflating it and see how it looks. Okay. Now, although it comes with its own manual pump, I personally have my own electrical pump that I'm going to be using. I set it up for 15 psi. I'm going to go ahead and inflate this and see how it looks. All right, here we go. 15 PSI. Let's see how long it takes. All right, so the pump just finished. Even though the kayak states maximum PSI is 15 PSI, I decided to give it just 12. It took about 4 minutes with an electrical pump. Yeah, 12 PSI. 12 PSI is plenty. I think 15 will be a little overkill, in my opinion, of course. I could be wrong. I'm gonna turn this around because I want to inflate the seat, but I also would like you guys to have a better view of it. We'll turn it around. Okay, so here's the valve. Took me a minute to figure out the seat straps. I will show you guys that in a minute because I think that'll be very important. All right, so let me grab this. 12 PSI. Here we go. That should probably take 2 minutes. Well, that's done. That's 1 minute. That's how much it took. Yep. I mean, it is a small, portable, foldable, sit-on-top kayak. And here's the seat. I like the fact that it's built in. Now, you guys see this strap that will hold you? I need to show you something real quick how it works. So I'm gonna bring the camera around. Okay, I think that will be a good view. So we're gonna be using this. Because the way it works is, if I can get this strap out. There you go. You get it over the D-ring. And here you make the loop, like so. And you give it the length that you need for your back support. Ready? And there we go. Let me see, maybe right about there will be good. Yeah, let me try it. Let me go ahead and try it. Okay, so I'm putting together the paddles real quick. I will put on the notes below if the paddles are included or not, real quick, because I forgot. I need to make sure everybody knows to see if it's an accessory that is required or that it's, you know, doesn't come with it. Anyway, so here's the deal. This is how it will work, technically. Yep, that works. I was concerned it'll be like, you know. Ooh, my apologies. I'm sweating quite a storm. It's Florida weather. Although the cold front's coming next week. Woohoo, camping time. So we're looking at something like this right here. You know, this is not bad. This is relatively comfy. You know, it's not bad. The surface gets a little hot. I just noticed that. So on the sun, I'm assuming that the surface will be getting hot. Being on the water, that will be helping and cooling it. So I will say, like, if you guys reach a beach, right, and you leave it out on the sun, when you grab it, make sure you splash some water on top so you can cool out on the surface. You want to burn your bum. So yeah, this is pretty cool. This works. All right, so let's do a couple of looks around so we can look at the straps. There's some accessory rails in here as well. So far, I see the value. I see the value. Oh, one more thing. Look at the price. Look online. That's not bad for a high quality inflatable kayak like this. I say that's pretty good value. All right, let's look around. All right, let's give it a quick look around all the details. So we have our graphic strap right here. We have this bungee cords built in already, so you can actually have some coolers if you're going overnight camping or just bringing gear with you. On the front as well. Two accessory rails. That is pretty cool for an inflatable kayak of this value. And here's the carabiners that came with it. This will come in handy if you want to tow something with you. That's not bad. I think will be another spot. Is there another D-ring back here? All right, so the D-rings are located. So there's two there for the C-straps and one in the front. Got it. Okay. So one in the front it is. I think this, you guys want to hold on to something here. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. And the seat, of course. I cannot get over this. That is so cool. All built in. How convenient. Really cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it upside down so I can put in the fins so we can take a look at it. All righty, so here are the fins. The direction is that way, so one will go this way. The other one will go this way. Hey, that's quite nice. You know, I have tried Saturn's kayaks before, and these fins are very aggressive. I know that for a fact. Like, it'll keep you well in a straight, but turning, you had to slow down a little bit. I'm sure that's going to be, once I do the water review, you guys will see what I mean when it comes to turning point. They're quite aggressive indeed. Nice. All right, now we got some visuals. I'm gonna go ahead and line up against the wall so we can look at some spec sheets, you know, numbers. Okay, so I have it now against the wall. I want to give you guys a quick look so you can have a different perspective. I'm doing also this for me because I'm quite curious about this little kayak. I wonder who's going to perform. All right, onto the spec sheet. Here we go. Okay. I apologize for my slightly unsightly appearance. A little hot here in Florida. So, the Saturn SOT260 from both to go. This one, total length is 8.6 feet from here to here. The total width we have from here to here is a total of 30 inches. The thickness, the full thickness of how full this inflatable kayak is a total of 6 inches. The maximum weight capacity, looking at 250 pounds, that's one adult, maybe some gear, maybe a couple of kids if they're fooling around the bay. That'll work. The total weight, which is a little bit impressive, honestly, only 15 pounds. Seriously. Look, I am not struggling to move it around. They're marketing it as a portable, foldable, inflatable kayak, and I think they're correct on it. Yeah, it is being marketed as it should. Well, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I found this video informative. I will put links of this kayak above and below. Please do check it out because it also helps me. If you guys happen to buy, this helps me. Lord willing, by next week I will be doing the water review, and I got a feeling it's going to perform just fine. But it's gotta be done. I have to be real. It's gotta be authentic. You know what I mean? Anyways, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Later.